What's up guys, it's your girl Samara and I'm back with another video. Today your girl's gonna be doing a hair review video slash do my hair with me video. Y'all gonna see me restore this hair because I'm gonna get into the tea with this hair later on. But yeah, said and every I hope you don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below anything you may want to see in the future. And let's get into the video. I just washed this hair because hair was just not it. I got it from Ali BFF Hair. And basically, this hair got really nappy within 1 week. It got very, very nappy. And I don't think it came to the point where it was nappy stiff, but it was kind of stiff on its part. It just didn't give me the full effect that I was expecting. And I was really disappointed with this hair. So I just washed it to see if I would get a better result. I do start school on Tuesday, and a girl can't go to school with some ugly old weave, ugly old nappy old weave. I refuse to, and I will not. But I did spend a lot of money on getting this installed and getting the hair itself. So your girl has to work as magic. These are its natural curls, and it's kind of cute, no funny. The curls naturally, when they dry up, they'll probably look better when they're fully dry, but this is not bad. Like, I'm going to blow dry this hair, and then I'm also going to curl it and see if I can get some better results. But right now, after washing the hair, like, it feels way better than it was before. It's not at its best, but it is better than it was before. Hair is twerkable, guys. The hair is twerkable. Like, this is twerkable hair, period. As I do this hair, I'm going to give y'all the tea on this hair and tell y'all whether y'all should buy it or not. And yeah.
OLE beats. Help me! Help me!
So I finished blow drying my hair, and it's not bad right now. It's not bad. My hair moves as a unit. It doesn't move individually. You don't get like two big chunks of hair moving at different times, different speeds. Like, no. So now I'm about to curl it and get to the actual hair review for y'all. So yeah, like I said, this hair is from Ali BFF Hair. This is the 16-18-20. I have a closure in right now, and the closure is 14. So basically, when I first got this hair installed, if you guys didn't watch my photo shoot video, then you probably didn't see it. But if you did watch it, you would see that at one clip, like, I wasn't enjoying the look of the hair when it was installed, and it just felt really, 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 like, thin, and I didn't understand why. But then when I curled it, it started to look better. So my first impression of the hair was bad. The hair took 6 days to get here. This hair sheds a lot. I'm not gonna cap, because there's a lot of people who do hair reviews, and I don't know if it's because the hair just doesn't shed or they're lying, but this hair sheds a lot. I'm not going to cap. This hair sheds a lot. I literally have a whole, I'm gonna show y'all. It's ridiculous how much this hair sheds and what I have to go through to make sure the hair doesn't get everywhere. Whole sweater on the floor so that my hair doesn't go on the carpet because I just cleaned the carpet. So I have a whole sweater on the floor. Even if you look over here, you can see a bunch of little hair pieces. But yeah, this hair sheds a lot, and that's what I dislike. There's times where I just want to brush the hair and not have to worry about the shedding. And then I get hair everywhere. So then it makes it even harder. Closure I got was not, it didn't come with a middle part. It was actually a free part, and that was my first time getting a free part, and I really regret it, only because like I feel like with a free part, your part isn't as neat as it should be. And like for me, like I want my part, like I want it like fixed, like I want my part looking great and all. And with the free part, it was harder. And so when we did the part, it was kind of crooked, but I kind of fixed it up. And I wish I could pluck it a little bit more, but I don't want to ruin it, because only for the sake that I don't know how to pluck. The hair is thicker than I expected it to be. It's not as thin though. That's good. When you do brush out the hair, it does appear thicker, so I'm assuming that this hair is thick. And but the one thing about this hair is it does not keep a curl. And there's so many reviews on this hair that said it kept a curl. No, baby girl, this hair does not keep a single curl. Like if you guys watch my 16th birthday video, you can see that I curled my hair like twice that day, because only because it didn't keep its curl and this and that. And when I originally installed this hair, it was straightened and been curled. So that's probably, I don't know if that factored into it not keeping a curl, but it just doesn't keep a curl at all. But it's a loose wave. And but overall with this hair, like the first sewing I got with Virgo hair, I believe, I felt like the hair was better. But for this hair, if you do get this hair and it does become nappy, I recommend washing it. That's what I did, and I'm seeing better results, and I'm happy with the results. Hopefully these results aren't temporary, and rather instead they're like gonna stay for a while, because I don't want my hair getting too nappy soon where I have to repeatedly wash it, even though I may not keep this hair any longer. This hair is really soft. I'm not gonna lie about that. This hair is really, really soft. That's like the best part about this hair. It's really, really soft. Like even when it gets nappy and when it gets tangled, or it's like it's not twerkable, it's still soft. Like once you come out the hair, it's very, very soft, and that's just my favorite part of the hair. So, and last thing about this hair is it gets really frizzy. When it's hot out, this hair will frizz up to the core. So I recommend having a spray to tame the frizz. I didn't have a spray, sadly, so the girl had to deal with the frizz, and the frizz is ridiculous. So having a spray to deal with the frizz that you're going to experience with this hair will save you a lot. If you want this hair, go get it. I told y'all honest opinions about this, so yeah. Now I'm going to shut my mouth, and y'all just going to watch me curl the hair. Y'all, so this is the finished product of my hair. Y'all, it is really hot. Like I really just recorded this video using two very hot products to show y'all my hair. Basically, I just curled it. This side looks less curly than this side, but I don't really care at this point. Like it's whatever. It still looks good. And yeah, that's the finished product. This hair feels so much. Okay, let me not show that side. The hair is less stiff. It's very voluminous. It's not like, it's not giving me some weird curls. It looks good. The hair looks good right now, and I'm proud of it. This is after washing it, blow drying it, and curling it. This is the final hair. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed me transforming my hair, enjoyed the review. I hope this can help you guys out too if you are looking for hair, or if you're looking for ways to get out the knots in your hair. And yeah, but that's all for this video. Like I said in the beginning, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below anything you may want to see in the future. And I'll see you in my next video.